Hello, my name is Deepsa. We are doing maths today and we are dealing with specific questions in maths which are related to time, men, as in so many men work for so many hours a day, they finish so much work, they get so much salary, two taps, fill the bucket. So these kind of questions we are trying today. They're called time and work questions. Okay. Now, before we start, these are some basics about this topic. There are four terms, symbols. W is work done. Work अभी तक जो होना है. And M is the number of men doing that work. Now, M can be men, it can be tap, it can be women, it can be fish, it can be anything, any substance who's doing the work. Now, how do I get this? Work is proportional to men. If you have more work, you will need more men to do it. Correct? So that's how work is proportional to M. You do more work, you need more people. Okay, now T is the time in hours usually. How much time do they take? Now, if work is more, they will take more time. ज़्यादा काम होगा तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. That's why work is proportional to time. Again, D is nothing but the number of days that they're working. Again, ज़्यादा काम होगा तो they'll have to use more days. They'll use more days to finish the work. ज़्यादा काम ज़्यादा days लगेंगे. Now this is what इन तीनों इक्वेशन को कंबाइन करके प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी हटा के वी कैन ऐड अ कांस्टेंट m अपॉन w. नाउ इस कांस्टेंट को हटा के यू नो दैट दे कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वंस एंड टूज m1 m2 d2 t2 and w2. So this equation will be valid because of these terms being directly proportional. Now one thing, very important thing, please don't apply this everywhere. You have to be clear that this M1 and this M2, they have to be the same people. They have, मतलब अगर वो men है तो इधर भी men ही होने चाहिए. As a number of men can change, number can change, but it has to be the same category. Men है तो men ही रहने चाहिए, fish है तो fish ही रहने चाहिए, but number of fish can change. और tap है तो taps ही रहने चाहिए. The number of taps can change, but the quality kind of taps cannot change. So be very careful with M1. That number can change, but their variety cannot change. Okay, and now these are just the full forms. What is work? Work done. Men is the number of people or things, and time and duration, that is the days or duration, whatever. Okay, let's start doing 12. Let's read the question. 12 men can complete work in 8 days. In 8 days, and 16 women can do it in 12 days. Now 8 men and 8 women work for 6 days. How much work is left? Okay, so this looks like a huge question. We'll not read it like this. We'll read the first sentence. We'll deal only with men first. They are difficult to deal with. Yeah, they are difficult to deal. So here, how many men are there? See, we have two things for men. One is this is for men. Oh, and this is also men. Correct. So these are both the substances which are given for men. Now, because it is men and men, we can use that formula. Okay, so we get initially क्या हो रहा है? Initially जब वो काम कर रहे हैं, number of men कितने हो गए? 12. नंबर ऑफ डेज कितने हो गए? 8. एंड उन्होंने वर्क कितना किया? वर्क किया कंप्लीट. They finished the work. Now whenever you have finished the work, it is taken to be one. The work is whole. जैसे होता है ना, you finished the whole work, so that whole is taken as one. So, or we can keep it like W also. Total work done is the done. Okay, first sentence में इतना लिखा है. Now we come to the third sentence where finally what happens? ये बाद में किया है ना, this is their capacity and this is what they actually do. So finally what they actually do, how many men are used? They using 8 men. How many days do they work? They work for 6 days. And work here is what? Is what we have to find कि men ने 6 days में कितना काम किया है. Men ने 6 days में कितना काम किया है. So let this be X. Now we can apply that formula. Okay, so M1 D1 T1 हम ये क्यों लिख पा रहे हैं, ये फॉर्मूला क्यों यूज कर पा रहे हैं? बिकॉज हियर ऑल्सो इट इज मेन एंड देयर ऑल्सो इट इज मेन. सो विल पुट द वैल्यूज. इसमें टाइम नहीं है, इट्स ओनली डेज डेज डेज. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड कि 8 men ने कितना काम किया थर्ड कंडीशन में. सेकेंड कंडीशन में कि इतने लोगों ने कितना काम किया, विच इज दिस X. सो व्हेन वी फाइंड X, it comes out to be okay. So X is W by 2. What does this mean? That these 8 men, when they were working, actually these 8 men, they finished W by T work. That means what? उन्होंने आधा काम तो खत्म ही कर दिया. ठीक है. These 8 men working for 6 days, they finished half the work on themselves. Now let's come to women. What is the first situation given? That women can, 16 women can do work, the same work, complete the same work in 12 days. Okay, and then the last sentence is given that 8 women are working, they work for 6 days. Okay, now both are women, 16 women, 8 women. So because the category of M is same, women, so that's why we can use this formula. Okay, so initially women kitni hai? This will also be W. Let's call them ladies. Just take it as ladies. Woman will be lady. And here also, just see, women I'm like writing as lady. So lady 1 is how many initially? There are 16 ladies. Okay, now how much time do they take to finish the work? They finish the work in 12 days. And how much work they do? They finish in 12 days. 16 women can finish a full complete work. Next, final में क्या हो रहा है? Actually क्या हो रहा है? Finally, how many women are working? How many ladies are working? So the number of ladies working is 8. It is not 16. Finally, only 8 are working. And they work for how long? They work for 6 days, as mentioned here. They work for 6 days. Now, how much work have they finished? They have finished, we'll have to find that. because rest everything is known, only amount of work done by the ladies is not known. And this equation can be applied. So I'm just quickly writing, not writing the formula. X is how much work were the ladies able to finish in 6 days. I hope what is X is clear. This is total work and this is work done in parts. Now, if I find X, which is work done by women in 6 days by 8 women in 6 days, right? Now we calculate this. I hope you can do this calculation yourself. I'm just quickly writing. So X is W by 2. Now what is X? Amount of work done by women. Sorry, they do work का 1/4. 1/4 work of the total work का 1/4 they do. Men ने कितना किया था? Half. So what is the total work done? Men, women सब मिला के जो उन्होंने किया, men ने किया और जो ladies ने किया, उन दोनों को मिला के is the total work done in 6 days. Okay, with 8 men and 8 women. ये 8 और 8 मिला के कितना काम करा उन्होंने 6 दिन में. So the work done totally by men and women will be how much? We'll add their values. We'll get to know how much work is done. Okay, so men do how much work? They do W by 2. And ladies do how much work? They do W by 4. So it's basically 6 दिन में 8 men ने कितना काम किया और 6 दिन में 8 ladies ने कितना काम किया. Okay, now total work done in 6 days. Now let's not write total. Work in 6 days. कितना हो गया? You'll have to just men का and ladies का you'll add up the work because that is what is. You add these up and what you get is together when they're working for 6 days, they are able to finish 3/4 of the work. 3/4 is like 75% of the work they have completed. 8 men, 8 women in 6 days complete 3/4 of the work. Work था कितना? W. तो बचा कितना है? इतना सारा W था और 3/4 फिनिश हो गया. करेक्ट? तो बचा कितना है? पूरे में से we'll subtract 3/4. Work left is full work minus work done. Correct? So this is or you can write it as. So basically only 1/4 work is done to be completed if this is the situation. Okay, I think you've understood. I hope you've understood. Okay, thank you.